Hi, this is Tracy, and today I'm doing a little bit of a Hilma experiment with botanicals. So you can see I've got the Hilma book there, and I've got some mandala piece of paper, and I've got a beautiful rose. I know this is really sped up, but anyway, I'm just doing a little bit of a play around with shapes that I've found, and sort of letting the paint and the little rose talk about what they all want and how to place it. And I have a lovely quote there as well that sort of has just arrived. So, and then there's these cut out shapes. So Hilma often did things with geometric shapes, and so I feel they sort of, well, they kind of belong. It does all come together in the end. So, and this is just tracing around the rose, so we've got sort of a memory of once the rose is faded of what it originally looked like, and then just sort of intuiting any messages that are coming through. So of course peace and hope and faith, and here's just the final image and just how it all pulls together with a boundary. It's as if that rose encourages that.